I install everything for my Lexion LX10S to ES 7th generation model. Okay, let's turn on start engine. Just putting. Now already connect Android Auto, wireless Android Auto.
Video mode.
So go to
Recording
automatically.
Wi-Fi
This.
is on.
Okay. So now full screen mode. Also, if you want split mode, this one. Or you can support also trackpad. Just like this. Also support Google voice control assistance. How's the weather today?
Right now in Schaumburg, it's 40 degrees and sunny. Today
Okay.
it'll be sunny with a forecasted high of 40 and a low of 36.
This board is unanimously urging
Okay.
shareholders to reject a $108 billion takeover bid for Parent.
Okay. If you want, it also supports
Instead, the board is standing by.
steering wheel.
Here's an update on
This is fresh air.
Okay.
Very gross.
Volume
The
also.
most powerful person
support.
in the Trump administration, next to the president, is someone you may never have heard of or seen.
If you want full screen, you can press here. Also, touch screen. And nighttime driving. Night driving, just like this. Then dark mode and daytime mode. Okay, can go to switching to OEM screen, OEM menu. Okay. Support everything. You can using OEM Lexus Bluetooth.
That is until yesterday, when a long
Okay.
article about her was published on the Vanity Fair website.
Okay,
And
very
it
good.
surprised a lot of people because behind the scenes,
Also, this car install AHD backup camera.
she's all over the news.
So,
She's Susie Wiles, President Donald Trump's White House chief of staff.
and also we install front camera and change automatically to front view. And you can set the time, so delay time for the front view.
Tell us about what she had to say about subject.
Okay, back camera delay. If you want longer or shorter, just like this. Okay, let me test. 3 seconds, and then drive. Just 3 seconds. Okay, so if you want. Okay, I think it's a 5-6 or is okay. Okay. 5 seconds remains this front view. Okay. If you want to see front and rear view while you're driving, just click the camera icon. This is a front view. This is a rear view. Full screen mode. Always keep this camera if you want until you exit this icon. Okay, it's very useful for checking blind spot, just like this. Okay, the drive seat here. There's I can see anything behind this car, white car, but see that I can see this here. So very useful for safe driving. Okay, go outside. Okay. There's some setup. Your nighttime brightness is at 0. Okay. Factory setting. There's 6 times 8, and AC pop-up means okay. If you set auto, so randomly AC pop-up automatically. So you don't want to do that. So you turn it off. Okay, there's no more pop-up anymore. Okay. Thanks for watching.